What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and I hope you're all doing great. Excuse me, gotta check my microphone real quick. Yeah, it's on and running. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. Wanted to do a quick update on what happened last night. We got quite some volatility and a nice little spike last night. But just in general, we'll talk about next week, right? Beginning of next week, also a little bit this evening, usually in the evening on Sunday. Which for some of you, it probably is already almost evening if you're from Asia, for example, but for others it might still take quite a long time. But we're going to be talking about that. Usually then the market starts to move, so I'll tell you what I expect and just in general what you can expect as well based on fundamentals and technicals. Before we get into that though, I do want to tell you, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find more instructions on how to join either the Telegram group or the Discord group. All right, now let's talk about Ethereum. So what we did yesterday is, well, first of all, if you take a look at the move, fundamentally it just looks quite manipulated. All right, let's be honest about that. We had from 1567, we had a quick spike up to 1580, which also houses the 3-2 fib. I also said yesterday, I think we can get up there, and that's also what I expected, but not in a move like this. All right, that's a bit unexpected, and as I said, it also looks fairly manipulated, but all right. And after that, I mean, we just got back into the same area, that same consolidating area around 1570, which is just where we have been, to be honest. I mean, right now, if you look at the technical situation, I would say purely technically we're consolidating, we're in a range, we're holding 1550 as a support, and we're kind of in this range between well, ultimately I guess you could argue between 1500 and 1680. But on the other side, I do think fundamentally some things have changed. Obviously, last week we had a lot of bad news about Silvergate. The SEC obviously continues to put pressure on crypto. And apart from that, I think the economic circumstances have changed a little bit as well. I'm not sure if last week we had some important economic events. I'm not sure if this week we'll have that as well. There's some sort of a Powell testimony that might be important on Wednesday. We'll have initial jobless claims, which is a little bit important, not that much. Friday is important though, with the unemployment rate. If that continues to be low or to decrease, that's obviously a sign, or that's probably a sign that inflation is continuing to go up. So I think fundamentally something has changed, and that's also why I expect on the short term, I expect Ethereum to be consolidating, perhaps even a little bit bullish. I also said yesterday, I think we can reach all the way up to 1600. And if we're very bullish, even 1615. But I think in general that we will not break above that, and that will kind of stay in this consolidation between 1540 and that level between around 1600. But then because of the bearish fundamentals and because of the economic circumstances right now, and the development of which, I think it's more likely that at some point of time we'll drop down to 1520, which has a minor support level, and that will take a break retest and start dropping down towards 1500. Now what happens from there, who knows? Maybe we can on the long term actually consolidate and be stable. But at this point of time, as I said, my bias has become quite a bit more bearish on crypto, therefore also on Ethereum. And that's why I think we'll at least fall down to that 1500 level, which, as I said, purely technically isn't even that bearish. Purely technically, it's just the lower bound of the consolidation. But we'll have to await that. As I said, I expect movement, the first real moves to come later today. But I'll keep you updated on that, of course, also tomorrow morning. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.